Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. As promised in my most recent Halloween nail art video, today I'm going to be showing you the brand new Licorice Gel Manicure Kit from the Mini Macaron. I did a review of this kit a few years ago in a different color, and these kits are one of my all-time must-haves, so I'm really excited to show you the newest kit. And these kits retail for $35 US on the Mini Macaron website, and you can get 10% off with my code caramellogram10. It's not an affiliate code, I just truly love all the products that I've tried from them, and you save a little bit of money. And in these gel manicure kits, you get an instruction booklet, a full-size gel polish in the shade Licorice, and these polishes are all 9-free, vegan, and cruelty-free, a matching mini macaron shaped LED lamp that you can use for both manicures and pedicures, a USB cord that plugs into the LED lamp, a matching mini nail file and cuticle stick, as well as 10 individually wrapped remover wraps. And one of the reasons why I love these kits so much is because they are so portable. I've taken one of these kits on every single trip I've been on since I first got them, and all you need to do is plug the USB end into your laptop or a wall plug or even a portable battery pack, and then plug the other end of the wire into the lamp and you are good to go. And onto the swatch of Licorice, which you may have seen in one of my previous Mini Macaron swatch videos. I have the individual bottle of Licorice, and it's my favorite black gel polish. They have a ton of different shades available individually, and they retail for $11.99 USD each. All their gels are formulated as a 3-in-1 formula, which includes a base coat, color coat, and top coat all in one, so you don't need to apply a separate base coat or top coat. You can always use a gel top coat on top to prolong your mani even more, but these have an incredible shine on their own, and I've been able to wear these gels for about 14 days on my own nails before I notice any wear on the tips. They also don't have that really annoying sticky layer after you cure like other gels do, which is a huge bonus, especially when I'm traveling. And it's really important that you apply a very thin first layer so that it cures completely and evenly, and then I'll cure it in the LED lamp for 30 seconds after each coat. For the second coat, I applied a slightly thicker layer, and it was completely opaque for me and super glossy in 2 coats. Some of their other gels were opaque for me in 3, but remember, because you don't need a separate base coat or top coat, and because it cures in just 30 seconds, it actually takes less time than a normal mani. I can usually finish an entire mani in about 10 to 15 minutes, and after I cure the last coat, I don't have to worry about denting the polish since it's fully cured. For my thumbnail, I did the same thing, so I applied 2 thin coats of Licorice and I cured it for 30 seconds after each coat, and for me, I just found it a little easier to hold up the lamp in my hand while I was curing my thumbnail. And if you're new to gel polish, these kits are super beginner friendly. I was new to gel polish when I first tried out this kit a few years ago, and I've loved it ever since. They're so easy to use, they're adorable, and really good quality. And one question that I always get is whether they have a full-size lamp, and they do. They have a few maxi sets where you can fit your whole hand under the lamp at the same time, and they just released a brand new one this past week. I don't have one to show you, but I'll leave links down below, and don't forget you can get 10% off regular price items with code caramellogram10. So that's all for the Licorice Gel Manicure Kit. Check out my Mini Macaron playlist for swatches and nail art using their gel polishes. And if you're new to my channel, I do swatches, reviews, and nail art tutorials, so be sure to subscribe down below and give this video a thumbs up. Anyways, that's all for today, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!